I'm boiling the first fire noodle, which is the carbonara or the creamy one. I was gonna boil them together, but I realized that they are different noodles, so to boil them separately. Let's boil this one first. Quick. You know what? I think I could just cook them together. I'll just make sure that they don't go in the same bowl. I think they're done. Oh, it's kind of little in the first bowl. This one is the carbonara one. Yeah, it's very yellow. And the cheese one is more familiar look. This looks like kind of more like a pasta looking. Like this. Let's get the main ones first and then I'll just drain them out. So this one is the cheese and this one is the carbonara or the creamy one. Hi everyone, welcome back to my mukbang. Today I'm back with two different types of fire noodles. I have the cheese one. This is a cheese 불닭볶음면. This is actually mozzarella powder, cheese powder, and the regular base. And this one is the carbonara, or it's got Carbo Fire Noodles or carbonara. I think that's where they were inspired, what they were inspired by. If you notice, this one's much smaller than, not much, I guess, kind of half of the original size. But yep, these noodles are a little different. I think they were trying to mimic like pasta maybe for this noodles, but this one looks more like a instant ones that I'm familiar with. So let's just put in all the sauces. If you guys have been watching me for a while, I love the carbo one. But I don't think I ever tried the cheese one yet. I tried almost all of them, I think. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, cheese one I haven't tried yet. Or did I? Maybe I tried the cup one. I don't know. I don't remember. But whenever I crave spicy now, fire noodles are my go-to. And this one is the it doesn't really say what this really is, but I'm pretty sure I put this on top here, right? Yeah, right here. And then this is the mozzarella cheese powder. And voila. Ooh. So this one's more pale and it looks like it has some parsley flakes in here. And this one looks more like cheddar cheese. Although it says mozzarella, it looks like cheddar cheese or American cheese or something like that. So after this, I have some ice cream, vanilla ice cream from the other day. So I think I want to just kind of film that too, eating it. It's like eating something spicy and salty and eating some like cold ice cream is the best. That's like one of the best combinations. Okay, so let's just mix these guys too. I really want to boil some eggs, but I feel like I've been eating a lot of eggs recently, so I just want to kind of not do that today. Whoa. This one still looks pretty red, even with the cheese. Excited. I think maybe this is the one that I filmed a long time ago in my like previous apartment where like I mixed up all the sauces. Maybe in that video I did that, but I'm so excited. I wonder what they're gonna come up with next. The most recent one they made was the black bean one, which I kind of wish I made that too, but I can't finish all three. Oh, this is so spicy. This is definitely more red. This one's more like brown like. Wow, it's still spicy though. This is the carbonara. Was this always this salty? Wow, that is so salty. But it's still really good. This one is the carbo. This one is the cheese. I think this is much spicier, but I don't know, I really like the flavor, this flavor better. This is kind of salty, but this is more spicy. Man, my tolerance to spicy food now. I feel like I can't eat spicy food anymore. Need some Haagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream just to kind of cool down a little bit. Oh my god, this is so good. I think vanilla is like one of my favorite flavors, and Haagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream is really like one of the top. I think this made it worse, but yeah, I think the ice cream made it worse. I really wish I had an egg right now. You know what's crazy? You know it's spicy and like you don't want it anymore, but you still want it because it's so good. The flavor is so good. I think whoever kind of came up with this flavor did a really good job because it's very addicting flavor. Maybe I haven't had a spicy food for a long time or something. This is the best ice cream. I think this one is too close to the original flavor. This one is pretty different, but I don't know what it was today. It was very salty. Maybe the powder didn't get mixed evenly. I have not enough ice cream. Like, I have like 1 spoonful left. Do you guys ever like kind of suck on the ice cream and kind of spit it back out? I always do that, but I can't do it right now because I'm in front of a camera. Done so. Okay, I'm going to end the video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed everything, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!